Quick look in the shed, full of the cut down tree that we're going to burn, a whole lot of other stuff. This was emptied, believe it or not, and now it's getting full again. Yeah, the tree was up there. The shed's still here, needs to take, you can see some, what is that? It's a bath salt stuff that I drilled down and chucked down in there, hopefully kill the stump. This is turning into a nightmare. Okay, so no shed. I don't know whether I filmed this already, so I don't think I have. And that, it's 8 foot by 4 meters to keep with the dual measuring system. Hopefully. Okay, some 2 full weekends to do this, and then another 2 doing the finishing off, and we haven't quite finished, as you can see. I've got to cut that in the same place. Okay, so that's a chip out for the big flitch beam lintel for the doors. Okay, so steel in between, steel sandwich. What about this? Can you see that it's angled? And the slope's the same, more or less. So that's apparently an angled bridle. This whole thing is that's my upright for here. I've got another one that's gonna go there. Oh, middle piece, it'll come up here. One there, and another one there. Right, so we got a floor in, but it's not tacked down or glued or anything. That was just so that I could build all the structure, as you can see here. Let's have a look what we've got. So these are tenoned in, you've seen the tenons before. We're going to pull all the floor off and insulate underneath it. They're just resting, so we've got to figure out a way to sort of screw them in and fill the little gaps in here. These braces aren't attached yet, so they're just push fitted in, so they're all going to come out. Separate the tenon, which was filling up with water, so I had to tape around it. Crow says hello. Yeah, okay. I mean, you can sort of see how I did this with that cross, those 2 cross pieces. So I lifted up onto that. You see that's quite a short little stubby tenon inside there. Nice little pocket mortises of varying depth. Oh, flitch beam, yeah, it's, you know, okay, so steel in between, steel sandwich, jammed together. You can sort of see that they're sort of a little inaccurate on the holes in places. You've got a structure in here, Right, Saturday 23rd of July, we can have a quick look at the shed. There's our lovely roses. So we've got the back panels on. We've got just sort of using offcuts to fill in that back, and we'll cut triangles in here. Just that's a nice sort of dovetail, although it's obviously a bit. That's a better one. Flitch beam. So we've got putty all the way along here, well, except for here where it's fallen off. I'm going to add a little bit, but I got caught on my beard. Inside of the beam. What else do I want to show you? That's SOS tape all the way along the top. Afternoon all, it's the 29th of October 2022. We're having a quick look out of my shed. Looking around at the shed, the yoga shed. So, got some panels off, just so that you can see that it's all taped and insulated on the inside, down to the floor. We're just putting the underfloor in. So I thought I'd catch this, because all of the panels have been it's all fireproof ply, and they've all been lacquered now. Some slightly better than others. You might see a tiny bit of sort of striping on there because I had to spray it under artificial light. That's a shadow. Okay, so we're going to see that it's this stuff. It's this oak engineered, and we'll see. It's the big reveal time. The shed is finally done. There it is. Yeah. Here we have it, finally complete. Morning. Morning. It's the 5th of May today. Saturday the 5th of May. Saturday the 25th of July. Sunday the 23rd of October. Okay, Sunday 13th of November 2022.